Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle shifter in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle shifter to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is MTB Bike Gear Brake Lever Set Shifter. Specifications: Derailleur Group Set Type, Mechanical Derailleur System. Gears 3-speed. Material: alloy. Type: shifting cable. Origin: China. Color: black. Number 4 is DEORE T9. Specifications: brand name DEORE. Model number T9. Derailleur Group Set Type, Mechanical Derailleur System. Gears 11-speed. Type: rear derailleur. Side right. Main material: aluminium. Lever material: composite plastic. Wire length: 2,100 mm. Color: blue-gray plus silver. Weight: 122 grams. Origin: China. As the item number 3, we've selected Shimano DEORE SLX M7100. Specifications: brand name Shimano. Model number M7100. Total capacity 51 T. Gears 12-speed. Material: alloy. Type: rear derailleur. Origin: JP. Number 2 is Micro New Road Bike Shifter. Specifications: brand name Goldix. Model number Micro New. Gears 27-speed. Material: aluminum. Type: conjoined DIP. Origin: China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Shimano DEORE SL M6100. Specifications: brand name Shimano. Model number DEORE M6100. Derailleur Group Set Type, Mechanical Derailleur System. Gears 12-speed. Material: alloy. Type: front derailleur. Origin: JP.